Did you know that AI systems like Hailuo are capable of analyzing vast amounts of data in seconds, making tasks that once took humans hours look like a walk in the park? Welcome to this in-depth review and tutorial of Hailuo AI, the ultimate game changer in the world of artificial intelligence. In this video, we're going to explore the incredible features, functionalities, and user interface of Hailuo AI and see why it's taking the industry by storm. By the end of this video, you'll have a solid understanding of how Hailuo AI can revolutionize your workflow, boost your productivity, and unlock your full creative potential. As we dive into the world of Hailuo AI, you can expect a comprehensive walkthrough of its capabilities, as well as some surprising features that will leave you wondering how you ever managed without it. So, buckle up and let's get started on this exciting journey into the future of AI. One of the most significant advantages of Hailuo AI is its ability to streamline complex tasks, making it an indispensable tool for professionals and beginners alike. Whether you're a content creator, a researcher, or an entrepreneur, Hailuo AI is designed to help you achieve your goals faster and more efficiently. In today's rapidly evolving AI landscape, it's more important than ever to stay ahead of the curve and leverage the power of cutting-edge technology like Hailuo AI. So, let's explore the exciting world of Hailuo AI and discover the endless possibilities it has to offer. Many of us have struggled with AI tools in the past, only to be left frustrated and disillusioned by their complexity and lack of user-friendliness. But what if I told you that Hailuo AI is different? With its intuitive interface and user-centered design, Hailuo AI is finally an AI tool that's accessible to everyone, regardless of their technical background or expertise. One of the biggest challenges facing AI adopters is the steep learning curve that comes with using these powerful tools. But Hailuo AI is designed to be different, with a focus on simplicity, ease of use, and seamless integration into your existing workflow. Despite its incredible capabilities, AI technology is still largely misunderstood by the general public. Many people view AI as a replacement for human intelligence, rather than a powerful tool that can augment and enhance our abilities. But with Hailuo AI, you'll see firsthand how AI can be a game changer for anyone willing to embrace its potential. Another common misconception about AI is that it's only suitable for large enterprises and corporations. But with Hailuo AI, even individual creators and small businesses can tap into the power of AI and level the playing field. In reality, AI is not about replacing humans, but about augmenting our abilities and freeing us up to focus on the creative tasks that truly matter. And with Hailuo AI, you'll see exactly how this can play out in real-world scenarios. When it comes to user experience, Hailuo AI is in a league of its own. With its clean and intuitive interface, you'll be up and running in no time, without needing to waste hours poring over complex manuals or tutorials. But what really sets Hailuo AI apart is its focus on accessibility. Whether you're a seasoned AI pro or a complete newcomer, Hailuo AI is designed to be inclusive, with features and tools that cater to all levels of expertise. One of the most significant benefits of Hailuo AI is its ability to automate repetitive tasks, freeing you up to focus on the high-level creative work that drives real results. And with its advanced algorithms and machine learning capabilities, you can trust that your tasks are being handled with precision and accuracy. But Hailuo AI is more than just a task automator. It's a powerful tool that can help you unlock new insights, identify patterns, and make predictions with uncanny accuracy. With Hailuo AI, you'll be able to tap into the collective knowledge and expertise of the global AI community, leveraging the power of crowdsourced intelligence to drive real innovation and progress. As we explore the features and functionalities of Hailuo AI, you'll see firsthand how it's designed to be an extension of your own creativity, rather than a replacement for it. From data analysis to content generation, Hailuo AI is the ultimate Swiss Army knife for anyone looking to unlock the full potential of AI. With its advanced natural language processing capabilities, Hailuo AI can understand and respond to voice commands, making it easier than ever to integrate AI into your daily workflow. But what really blows me away about Hailuo AI is its sheer speed and agility. With the ability to process vast amounts of data in seconds, Hailuo AI is the ultimate tool for anyone looking to gain a competitive edge in their field. And with its advanced machine learning algorithms, Hailuo AI can learn and adapt to your needs over time, becoming an increasingly valuable asset in your professional arsenal. One of the most impressive features of Hailuo AI is its ability to generate high-quality content on the fly, from blog posts to social media updates, and even entire books. But it's not just about content generation. Hailuo AI can also help you optimize your workflow, streamlining tasks and eliminating bottlenecks to drive real efficiency and productivity gains. As we delve deeper into the world of Hailuo AI, you'll see firsthand how it's designed to be a collaborative tool, allowing you to work seamlessly with others and leverage the power of collective intelligence. One of the standout features of Hailuo AI is its innovative chat interface, which allows you to interact with the AI in a completely natural and intuitive way. But what really takes Hailuo AI to the next level is its advanced analytics and visualization capabilities, allowing you to gain deep insights into your data and make informed decisions with confidence. As we explore the many features and functionalities of Hailuo AI, you'll see how it's designed to be a flexible and adaptable tool, capable of evolving and growing with your needs over time. But one of the most exciting aspects of Hailuo AI is its potential to unlock new creative possibilities, empowering you to try new things and push the boundaries of what's possible. One of the most impressive aspects of Hailuo AI is its ability to learn from its mistakes, adapting and improving over time to become an increasingly valuable asset in your professional arsenal. As we take a closer look at Hailuo AI's user interface, you'll see how it's designed to be intuitive and user-friendly, with clear and concise language that makes it easy to navigate and understand. But what really sets Hailuo AI apart is its commitment to ongoing innovation and development, with a team of dedicated experts working tirelessly to push the boundaries of what's possible with AI. One of the most exciting features of Hailuo AI is its integration with other popular tools and platforms, allowing you to leverage the power of AI in a seamless and intuitive way. As we explore the many applications and use cases of Hailuo AI, you'll see firsthand how it's designed to be a versatile and adaptable tool, capable of transforming the way you work and live. But one of the most surprising features of Hailuo AI is its ability to surprise and delight, often producing results that are nothing short of magic. In this video, we've taken an in-depth look at the incredible features and capabilities of Hailuo AI and seen firsthand how it's set to revolutionize the world of AI. As we wrap up this review and tutorial, I want to leave you with a sense of excitement and anticipation for the incredible possibilities that Hailuo AI has to offer. So, what did you think of Hailuo AI? Share your thoughts and comments below, and be sure to subscribe for more videos on the latest AI advancements and trends. And if you're interested in learning more about the future of AI, be sure to check out our video on the top AI trends to watch in the coming year. Thanks for watching.